Hello, beauty. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Goziem. Thank you for stopping by. Today, I share with you how I make the pap I drink with my family. Pap or akamu or ogi is a common recipe in West Africa. Though the origin can be traced to Nigeria, Cameroon, and Kenya, it is made from fermented corn and is usually enjoyed hot and can be a soothing breakfast or dinner in a very cold day. It is commonly known as akamu or ogi in Nigeria. So let's jump right into the preparation. I'll be using already blended powdered corn, which is what I have accessible. This first one is the coarse one. It is not fully in powdered form. This one is the fine yellow corn and in well powdered form. I want to encourage all of us who are far from home, who are abroad, that you can still enjoy or drink your pap. After mixing the corn together, I'll just soak it in water and allow it to ferment for just 2 days. It was supposed to stay for 3 days if it was still in seed form. So I mixed everything properly so that the water will go down and circulate in the bowl. I mixed it properly well and ensured that water covers the top of the floor. So after here, I covered it and allowed it to stay for 2 days. And 2 days later, it is looking like this. So I have to turn it into my blender and blended it batch by batch. After the smooth blending, I sieved it with this sieve. Then I proceeded to using the chiffon cloth. You can just go straight ahead and use the chiffon cloth right away. After blending and sieving the corn, I also blended the chaff. So this is the chaff. I have to blend because I don't want any waste. So I blended it. As you can see, this is the sweet outcome. It is so smooth. I also sieved the chaff and allow it to settle. So after it settled, I sieved out the water gently and calmly so that it doesn't mix up. After sieving, this is what we have. The pap is already looking yummy, ready to drink. What you just need is your hot water and you are good to go. Hi darling, if you find this video helpful and interesting, please like, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In that way, you will get notifications to my videos. Thank you and let's continue. At this point that your ogi or akamu or pap is ready, you can decide to store it whichever way you like. Just store it whichever suitable way you choose. But I tied it in portions with a nylon bag and store it in the freezer, as you can see in the video. So if you are struggling with light, you can just leave it inside a container, then put enough water and keep changing the water every morning or morning and night. In that way, you can also preserve it. I am done tying it, so I'll quickly set it in the freezer. Let me quickly prepare one for you to see. So you see, our pap is ready to drink. You can drink it with sugar, with milk, or better still, you can also take it like that depending on how you want it. Ah, this pap is so yummy. Thanks for watching.